Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Super Mario number 3 mix. Yes, I'm sorry, I just needed to say it like this. Because this is what we call Pretendo Power, yes. This product has been sent in by Multicard Collector. And yeah, she's a trusted watcher and family member here in the Wicked family. And yeah, she thought it was fun to send here this, let's say, collectible reproduction game. Yeah, really cool, to be honest. I never seen it before, so I was pretty excited to show you here on the channel because I want to hear your opinion and I wanted to share what are we going to get. I don't know if you can buy it in China this way. I'm guessing this is more like somebody has made, more like somebody here in Europe or maybe in the US. Because this thing is what we call a very nice quality. As you can see over here, the box is very nice quality. I will zoom in a little bit, and as you can see, the print is very nice. It comes even in this collectible box. I'm going to open it up very gently, because I don't want to mess up this collectible item. And otherwise, I'm going to get whipped because I'm naughty. Because Multicard Collector says to me, "You wicked boy, come here, you're naughty, you destroyed my Pretendo game." Alright, so if you look at the cardboard, it feels a little bit thin compared with the 90s edition, but still, again here I can give you a close look. The print is beautiful. Oh man, this is looking very nice. Alright, so this is a Black Max Repro multi-norm version. Ooh, naughty. Alright, so let's open it up and let's see what we're going to get inside. Alright, so let's take a close look at Super Mario Bros. 3 Remix, or Mix, whatever. We have save function, so that's cool. Okay, you can even clear it if you press A, B, and... Okay, I'm not going to do it. Alright, let's take a close look. Oh, that's really cool. That is really cool. Okay, it says indeed it has save function. Alright, let's play a little bit. They used the soundtrack of Super Mario 2 from the Game Boy. Ooh, cool. Okay. Alright, so let's talk about the Super Mario Bros. 3 mix, because there is a lot to talk about. So let's talk about why they call this the mix. It's very simple. The mix because it's a mix of Super Mario Bros. 1, 2 and 3. And it's not like they fused or merged the 3 games together, they basically made a completely new game. The first thing that I'm noticing is to get the map structures of Super Mario Bros. 3. That is pretty cool, but it has a save function, so basically they improved the game if it comes to the save functionality. That is something I really appreciate, that we can finally just save the game and just go on with the game later on the day or week or whatever, you're getting the point. But what I think is really cool, besides the wicked gameplay I'm having here, is that they added all the little elements. And for example, when you're chasing the stage, it's totally different. I have never seen it before, and the checkpoints are funny. They're not really checkpoints with flagpoles, they're just, let's say, little toads that you need to grab and that give you the option to give a save point or checkpoint. You can even collect these little coins that will give you a little extra thing in the game. So if you look at this game, they say it's a mix, but it's basically just a completely new game. While playing this game, I realized that everything is totally different. For example, the worlds. We're having all new worlds, including new boss battles. And a funny thing is, when you're playing the first stage and you're going to get to the Bowser, you will see that the end stage or the final boss stage is a very familiar thing that you have seen before in Mario Bros. 1, for example. But also it's very cool that he even used the sound effects a little bit mixed up 8-bit style from, for example, the Game Boy. That is something I can really appreciate, and that is really cool. The stages are quite challenging and they are not to be compared with the original game. I just want to point out that when playing these games, this is basically the first time that I ever started up the game or really playing the games or the stages. So I need to get used to the controls and everything. But to be honest, I personally think the playtime is not very long and going very well. Alright, so let's get a little bit of the flower power and let's see what we're going to get with the end boss. And as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. You can see that it's more like the idea of the original Game Boy boss fights. Really funny. Alright, so this is what we're going to get with the Super Mario Bros. 3 remix, or mix, or how you pronounce this. I really like it. This is a very fun collectible if you're a very big Mario fan and you want to play these hack games on your original NES. Yeah, this is a way to go. One of the ways you can go. I really love what they're doing with the box itself. If they give you an extra manual, oh man, that would be an ultimate collectible. Again, even if you buy the cartridge itself, the label itself on the top, that is very cool, will stand in, or it will be very cool, standing between your original games. Let me know what you think of this. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell, because you get an update when I'm uploading a new video. It will be great to have you here on the channel of the Wicked family. And see you in the next video.